Welcome my viewers. So today, Nnamdi Kanu appear before Justice Omotosho for the Federal High Court waiting for Abuja today. And also, Commissioner of Police Lagos State don declare Sowore wanted based on the information wey Sowore release. Talk say President Tinubu and Justice Omotosho with all APC cabal, they don already write the judgment wey they wan deliver for Nnamdi Kanu. Because of that, we review. Commissioner of Police Lagos State can't declare unwanted though, say they must bring her in for questioning. But before we go touchlight that matter, we could go back to Nnamdi Kanu court case today for Federal High Court Abuja. Many Nigerians dey expect say na today wey Justice Omotosho go deliver judgment between Nnamdi Kanu and federal government for the charge wey dem level against Nnamdi Kanu. Based on say yesterday for court wey be 4th of November, Omotosho tell Nnamdi Kanu say if he no enter in defense today, wey be 5th November 2025, say that means he go comot the right wey Nnamdi Kanu get to enter defense. Though say that one be say he go just pronounce judgment against Nnamdi Kanu. And today, people dey wait make Nnamdi Kanu enter defense or make Justice Omotosho deliver judgment. But Justice Omotosho, he don fear Nnamdi Kanu wey be say he no fit deliver the judgment. Rather, he talk say he go give Nnamdi Kanu more time for him to ready himself to enter defense. But before we go for that matter, we have Nnamdi Kanu lawyer come talk about the matter. When we come back, we go touch light on that matter.
Are we ready? Yes. Well, greetings, ladies and gentlemen of the media. We have concluded today's hearing in the case of Nnamdi Kanu, and the crowning glory of it was that he put up a very good defense of himself, even though he was concentrating on the objections raised to the jurisdiction of the court. On that note, the court adjourned for further hearing to 7th of November, when the court expects that he will enter a full defense. Well, having said that, I know a lot of people have raised questions and eyebrows about the propriety of Nnamdi Kanu representing himself. It is decision to make. He has a right under the Constitution to defend himself, and this case being politically charged, I think the idea or the notion that this is a normal criminal case has to be dispensed with. This is a not normal criminal case at all. If you want to understand the complexity of this case and the true political dimensions to it, you think of the case of Nelson Mandela, Martin Luther King, Obafemi Awolowo, Mahatma Gandhi. These cases were all politically tinged cases masquerading as criminal prosecutions. And these great men I mentioned, at some point in their struggle, at some point in their travail imposed on them by the state, they took the podium and defended themselves.
Now, you don't hear wetin Nnamdi Kanu lawyer dey talk. Say for Nnamdi Kanu to come out to defend himself, say he get the constitutional right. Now if even call people wey be say they don't take this part wey Nnamdi Kanu dey take, wey be say at a point those people still come and defend themselves, because the way the matter dey, no be wetin lawyer fit help you defend yourself. Now make we continue dey hear wetin dey talk.
So a politically charged case often comes with some unusual dimensions like this. So because why? The reason is simple. Lawyers are restricted to very narrow wiggle room when they are doing a case, and that narrow wiggle room can be inimical, can be prejudicial to the interest of the client. When the case has a political dimension to it, that thing needs to be out there. That limitation we have is not expected of the defendant himself. So a lot of times, the defendant himself will make the best defense of his case at that very point in time. That does not obviate the fact that the presence of a lawyer in a case is always better. But
now, and I hear everything they talk, they try to tell us say Nnamdi Kanu case na political. Maybe say Nnamdi Kanu commit any serious crime. But that's why Nnamdi Kanu dey tell Justice Omotosho say, show me for your law book the crime wey I commit. Show me where they write am for Nigeria Constitution say, see this thing na wetin I do. Say if you go fit show me am, I go enter defense. Wetin people dey expect for Justice Omotosho to do na be say, as Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don tell you say make you show up for constitution where im commit any crime wey na dey accuse am of. Justice Omotosho go open the constitution tell Nnamdi Kanu say according to section this of section this you commit so crime for that reason oya enter your defence. But today Justice Omotosho never open any constitution, neither whether the persecuting lawyers they don open any constitution to tell Mazi Nnamdi Kanu say see where you commit crime or see where we dey charge you from. Justice Omotosho dey talk say im don give Mazi Nnamdi Kanu the last chance to enter defence. Say if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu no enter defence on the 7th of November, say im go rule say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu no get any right again to enter defence. That means im go pass judgement concerning this Mazi Nnamdi Kanu case. Despite Justice Omotosho threat against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu no shake o. Im still dey talk say im no go enter defence. Im still dey stand on wetin im believe say he no go enter any defence. Say Justice Omotosho no get any jurisdiction to try am. Say and for that reason im no go enter any defence until Justice Omotosho prove say yes im get jurisdiction to try am and say see where im commit crime and say the kind crime wey im commit according to the constitution of Nigeria. Say apart from that im no go stand try, im no go enter in defence. Now make we hear from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu mouth wetin im talk about this matter. Just hear wetin Mazi Nnamdi Kanu get to talk.
Never be tried in any court of law in Nigeria. Say it again. That's what the law says. Say it again. Anybody standing in trial or coming to try me is a terrorist. That's what their law says. As simple as that. Not me. As simple as that. Section 2, subsection 3F of Terrorism Prevention and Prohibition Act. That's what it says. Any court considered to try me is committed an act of terrorism. Yes.
Despite everything wey Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dey talk, Justice Omotosho still maintain say im go defend, im go enter in defence though. But that one na till 7th of November where Justice Omotosho don adjourn the case. Now Nigeria dey wait make 7th November reach make they know whether if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu no enter in case, if Justice Omotosho go pronounce im judgement or they go still adjourn the matter. Because we know say now Nnamdi Kanu go meet im lawyers dem, they go sit down discuss on how they go use come back on the 7th of November 2025. Now make we go for Sowore. See the thing wey Sowore talk wey make all police station dey find am. Even Inspector General of Police and the Commissioner of Police of Lagos State they don dey find am o. People come dey talk say if actually wetin Sowore talk na truth or no be truth, why Nigeria police come dey find am? Because of say im don reveal their secret o. Nigeria dey come dey say they go put eye on Justice Omotosho and they go follow the case well to make sure say everything wey federal government and Justice Omotosho they don conspire against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu say e no go come to pass. Say they go put everything wey dem get to make sure say justice go prevail for Nigeria court and case wey concern Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Na here we go end the matter for today. If police finally carry Sowore, we go bring the information come give una. Make una do well to share this video and subscribe to our channel. Una well done.